will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming through. Make the ocean take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone.
And now on Have a Knife Day, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Pickarski, CMF Metalworks. This is my 7th year of knife making, and these are the two that I have left on my table.
Yes, the auction, there were happy people and there were sad people. That really pops, that mother of pearl. Wow, that is gorgeous. Now, what kind of Damascus is that?
That's Damasteel Yorkland Swiss.
Wow.
And that's presentation grade mother of pearl with pearl in zirconium and then pearl in zirconium. Then we got dark type bolsters.
That's gorgeous.
And two-tone zirconium thumb studs. And this has a micro flipper tab as well.
Can you show me that flipper tab again? So, now put it into action. That is micro.
It is very micro. And that's large for me. I actually tend to go smaller than that, but I've been trying new detents, so we went a little bigger to be safe.
And now what's up with this?
So this is my Koi Icarus. It has 83 hand-inlaid pieces of gold-lit mother of pearl.
Wow.
Damasteel clip and blade, near polished and etched. The pivot is gold-lit pearl, titanium, and then black-lit pearl. The scales are Westinghouse micarta. The body screw is actually inlaid with black pearl and then inlaid itself into gold pearl. There's gold pearl underneath the pocket clip just for that little hint when you look at it. And then it has a black-lit pearl backspacer.
That's a lot of great attention to detail.
Thank you.
That is beautiful. Well, that's some great stuff there, Ian.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much, and as always, have a nice day.
Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Check into the dawn. At station time to fight them all. The 82nd way.